XRP update. Looks like today we had a little bit of a pump up, giving us the pump that we're needing stuff. We're still looking for this to pull up, to bring our pink line up to a higher time. We're trying to get up to that 272 area, so that way when we do come down to retest, that 272 holds and then we can push to the upside. Now, what we've been noticing here over on the daily is that we are getting closer and closer to coming down and getting another green dot entry. So once we get that, hey, we're going up for our next big pump. So we've been watching that. So we do have to pull back down, but we don't want to push down just yet. We want this to kind of push out for the next day or so on the 4 hour chart before we wind up pushing to our 4 hour pink line. So that 4 hour pink line is still at play right now. It's at 266.65. To be watching for that. As you can see, we pushed up today. We did call out on Twitter, so if you was following that, we did call out that was going up to around that 307 area, which was on one of our time frames. So we called that out, and that's why we said, hey, watch out. They're going to push up 307 to 308. Pull back. That pullback's coming. The pullback's already here. It's already happened. We've been riding it down. We've been talking about it in the Discord throughout the day. So what we're looking at right now is on the 1 minute, we got the green light. We're up on the 1 minute. We've created a new higher high. We've come down, and now we've confirmed that. So if I was going to take a trade on this, I would probably put a short right here. Stop loss be up here, just above our higher high. If it comes up, it hits there, it breaks it. We're out of it. But if it comes on down, which we're expecting, we'll make money. On the 5 minute time frame, here's what we're looking at. We're looking at pulling down to our pink line on our 5 minute as we continue this channel on the downtrend. We are still in a downtrend according to our visual. So right now, yes, this is in a bullish pattern. Get the yellow, blue over pink. But we are going to be pulling down to that pink line. 15-minute time frame. Here it is showing that we did a pullback. We're pushing up a little bit, but we're going to continue to pull them down. We're going to be hitting this pink line down here. It's 296. So 293, 296. We're going to be clearing out the 1515. And if I'm looking at it correctly, 30 minutes in a sell as well. So we're going to be clearing out all those. We've already hit the pink line. That's why it's pulled back up. We're going to come back down, hit that blue and that yellow as well. And as you can see, we're in a bullish pattern on that 30 minutes. So we do have to come down, hitting that yellow line down at 296, and it'll push back up again, where we're going to continue to pull down. But we're going to see this up and down for the next couple days, hopefully. So that way we get that pink line on the 4 hour to continue to pull to the upside, getting us another retest around that 272. On the 1 hour time frame, we've already came up today. We hit that pink line. That was what that push was. Came up just above it there, 308, and that's where we was calling a pullback. We've been riding that. And as you can see, we've still got to pull them down here to that 296 area as well. So there's two confirmations on two frames that says we got to pull back down to this area. And then of course on the 2 hour time frame here, you can see we've already pulled up here. We've created this little pullback here, and it's going to be pulled back down to clear out these liquidity gaps. So where the liquidity gaps are, all the way down to the bottom here, we've got down at 286. So we could be able to see that pull back down here before we wind up seeing this 311. And of course that can help pull us down to our 4 hour pink line that we're still waiting for to pull back up here, so we can be able to hit that, test it, get the entry on the daily here, and be able to ride that next leg up for that new all-time high. So if you haven't already, tap that follow, hit the subscribe button, and join the Discord, and come learn these indicators with us, because we got one guy that's he posted in here in the Discord just a little while ago, and he said, I must say, it's pretty ridiculous how accurate your indicators are. And that is true. Even me looking at it, I can't even believe I created these, but these are insane. So make sure you jump into the Discord, join us, and we're going to record all our sessions, so you can be able to check those out inside the Discord as well. See you in the next one.